Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss next topic of our management, that is nature of management. So shall we start? We have earlier discussed nature of management as science, management as an art. Now we are discussing about management as a profession. So, my dear students, now the question arises in your mind, what do you mean by profession, or what is profession? Profession. Profession can be defined as an occupation backed by specialized knowledge and training, in which entry is restricted. Is it clear? Now, we have to check that various features of profession are present in management or not. First, systematic body of knowledge. In every profession, there is practice of systematic body of knowledge which helps the professionals to gain specialized knowledge of that profession. In case of management also, there is systematic body of knowledge as there are large number of books available which are based on variety of business situations. So, presently, this feature of profession is present in management. Is it clear? Next, restricted entry. The entry to a profession is restricted through an examination or degree. For example, no chartered accountant can be there without having the degree of ICAI. There cannot be any lawyer without having the degree of LLB. But anyone can be a manager without the degree of MBA. So, there is no legal restriction on appointment of manager. Anyone can become a manager irrespective of the educational qualification. But now, many companies prefer to appoint managers only with MBA degree. So this feature is not present in management, but very soon it will be included. Clear? Next, professional associations. For all the professions, special associations are established. Agreed? And every professional has to get himself registered with his association before practicing that profession. For example, doctors have to get themselves registered with Medical Council of India, lawyers with Bar Council of India, but in case of management, various associations are set up at national and international level. For example, All India Management Association. But it is not compulsory for managers to become a part of these organizations. So, presently, this feature of profession is not present in management. Next, existence of ethical codes. For every profession, there are set of ethical codes fixed by professional organizations and are binding on all the professionals of that profession. But in case of management, There is growing emphasis on ethical behavior of managers, but it is not compulsory for all the managers to get registered with All India Management Association and abide by the ethical codes. So, this feature is also not present in profession. Next, service motive. Basic motive of every profession is to provide services to their clients, whereas the basic purpose of management is to achieve the goal. For example, for a business organization, the goal can be profit maximization. So presently, this feature is not present in management. Hence, we can say that management is not a full-fledged profession. With the help of case study analysis, we can see the various features of science, art, and profession. I am reading the underlined part only. We can see students of various courses like MBA, BBA, etc. acquiring learning of systematic knowledge. Here, the feature is systematic knowledge. Success in actual work depends upon intelligent application. It means it is based on practice and creativity. Today, various companies are considering them as responsible components of society, means it is management as a profession. Is it clear? Thank you, and I have a nice day.